Laboratory drinking is very bad.
Yo, I'm wearing safety gear though.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you react with me. React with me. 1, here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Everybody working out on the lab floor. Mixing gases and acids and more. Creating compounds, some electron poor. Mr. G now working the lab. Got his tie-dye lab coat looking real fab. Beard nicely trimmed, he's the opposite of drab. Body mass index devoid of flab. Here comes the 3 to the 2 to the 1. Whoever knew chem would be so fun. Forwards and backwards the electron spun, rotating orbitals like the earth around the sun. Alkaline metals explode like a gun. When dropped in water, then fishies be done. Lithium is just an example of one of the metals in group number 1.
Everybody in the lab get tipsy, drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Everybody in the lab get tipsy, drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Everybody in the lab get tipsy, drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Everybody in the lab get tipsy, drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH.
2, here comes the 3 to the 4 to the 5. I'm wearing these goggles, they protect my eyes. Working with chemicals is dangerous, you guys. Once I got a bad rash up in my thighs. Some baby powder took care of that itch. For my legs to be the same as all that I wish. Maybe boost to the lab ain't like water to fish. More like free throws to Shaq, that ball never went swish. Dropping ring clamps, my toenails turn blue. Slipping on glycerin is all that I do. Maybe we should cut down on cocktails, that's me and my group. Turns our lab ethic into poo-poo. Number 1 lab group I still proclaim. J Money and Big C, we are far from lame. Our chemical genius will land our names on a plaque in the Chem Hall of Fame.
Now everybody in the lab get tipsy, drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Everybody in the lab get tipsy, drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Everybody in the lab get tipsy, drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Everybody in the lab get tipsy, drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH. 3, here comes the 4 to the 5 to the 6. To see geometry, Vesper theory is the trick. If you're an AP Chem, you can get mad chicks. You can't eat in the lab though, not even a lick. Hydrochloric acid, man, that's some strong-ish. Watch the experiment in the petri dish. It'll blow up in your face, then you will have a list. The chemistry lab is always full of bliss. Julia plus Casey equals lab group number 1. Our knowledge is as bright as the mother beep, son. Would you rather be a chemist or to be a nun? Don't know about you, but Gangluff class is pretty fun.
Everybody in the lab getting tipsy.
Drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH.
Everybody in the lab getting tipsy.
Drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH.
Everybody in the lab getting tipsy.
Drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH.
Everybody in the lab getting tipsy.
Drinking ethanol, CH3CH2OH.
Oh. Cadmium.
Beryllium.
Francium.
Helium.
Boron.
Sodium.
Chemistry.
Atomic orbitals.
Hybridization.
Chlorine.
Dogs. I like dogs.
Dranks.
Peace.